All right, I want to talk about a few tools that are essential to your future learning Arabic. The first one is it's called Gloss, and it's made by Defense Language Institute Foreign Language Center. The website up here, gloss.dliflc.edu. And as I've said before, for some reason the certificate has expired, which means when you go to that website with your browser, it'll say, warning, this website is not safe. I don't know why they let their certificate expire, but like I said, I've been using it for years. I've never been hacked or anyways. So just go through and proceed anyways. Now, notice that they have several forms of Arabic. These are the number of databases, language databases that they have available, which is awesome that they're separated by dialects. If you're interested in focusing on MSA, click there. Otherwise, use Levantine. Level, this is the level of difficulty. So you're going to be on level 1 for a long time. Notice it says there are 75 lessons available in level 1 Levantine. Okay, so go ahead and click. And these are the results. We have the first 10 results and 8 pages, so a total of 75. And you can download them if you want. Like it says, downloading just gives you the PDF and the MP3. Or you can click, it doesn't matter. So here's the taxi ride. And it's a whole lesson. However, I tend to not use the lessons, and I just click source here. And that's what that download button is. It's the text and the audio. Here's the audio. You can't hear it because it's going through my earphones. This is really awesome. Hide translation, view translation. So now I have a parallel text. The PDF is also parallel. So now, as for deciphering the text, I use a software called Verbase, and if I hover over any word, it'll give it to me, or if I control-click, it'll give me the results. So here's museum. Matḥaf al-Watani means National Museum. However, Verbase is only available for Windows users. For Apple, what you can do is up here in the corner is the Google Dictionary. So if you download the Chrome browser and install the Google Dictionary plugin, you can click on any word and it'll give you it might give you information. Shukran, it's got that one. Afwan, got that one. But dialect words will not give you any results usually. So Gadesh is a dialect word, and it erroneously translates it as saints when it means how much. So that's difficult. Less than 50%. The same is true for Verbase. Verbase is also going to give me an erroneous result because these are it's a different language. So only about probably less than 50% of these words will actually will give you a result in dictionary, or sometimes they'll give you a definition that is not accurate, because words will mean one thing in MSA and they'll mean another thing in dialect. Or you'll just have a word that seems like it's in MSA, but in actuality it's it might be a foreign word. So that's Gloss. The other tool is Ijtihad. Really awesome website. So you can get there by typing this in your web browser. And what they've done is taken the most popular dictionaries and scanned every page and then made them searchable by root. So if I switch to Arabic, say I find a word like tahi, okay? What is tahi? I can type it in there. All you do is click on the page and it brings up the search query, hit enter, and it takes me right to the page that I need in Hans Vier. Now I have to scroll and find it. Oh, Tahu. So I was incorrect. And Tahi. Oh, it's both. So, and here's all the information that I have from Hans Vier. Now what's cool is that it also queries Lane's lexicon. Lane's lexicon is a archaic dictionary or lexicon. So it's, Arabic is a very rich language that extends over 1,000 years, and so if you're working with more ancient texts, then Lane's lexicon is going to be helpful for you. It also has that's Lane's supplement because Lane died before it was done. Lisan al-Arab is the Arabic dictionary, very well-renowned Arabic lexicon, and it's got more. It just keeps going. These three are some of the best, though.